Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what will happen when we specify final modifier before a class in Java? Let me answer. When we specify final modifier before a class in Java, this class cannot be inherited by other classes. That means we cannot create child classes for the class which is specified with the final modifier. Okay, we cannot create child classes for a class which is specified with the final modifier, or this class which is specified with final modifier cannot become a parent of any other class in Java. Simple words. Okay, so let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and I'll create a new, freshly I'll create a new class, write it new. I'll simply name this class as P class, let's say. I'm just naming this as P class. Okay, and for sample, I'll create a variable and method in this class, public void sample method. Okay, so I'm just creating some class with the name P class. You can give any name, system.out.println. Inside sample method, I'll write. Inside sample method, I'll write. Okay, now we have a class. Now I'm going to create another class, new class. I'll just name this class as C class. Just naming as C class. Click on finish. Now I would like to have it side by side. As you can see, both the classes. Here we have the, sorry, let me take this off and take this down. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. So here we have the P class and here we have the C class. Okay. Now this is a normal class. Okay. This class that you see here on the top is not specified with any final modifier. Okay. I have not specified the final modifier before this class. So this class can become a parent of any other class in Java. For example, I would like to make this C class a child class of this P class. I would like to make this P class a parent of this C class. Okay. So for that, I would write extends P class. I'll not get any compiler error because this particular class is not yet specified with final modifier. So this class can be inherited by any other class in Java. Okay. So we can make this particular class inherit by any other class in Java. Using extends keyword, I can make this as a child class of this P class. Okay. Inheritance is possible and this class can become a parent of other class. That's all you can see, right? But the moment I put final here and click on save button here, you can see that there is an error coming in the child class. Okay. That is, the class which is specified with the final modifier cannot be inherited by or cannot become a parent of any other class, or any class cannot become a child of this class which is specified with final modifier. You see, I'm already getting an error saying that the type C class cannot subclass the final class P class. Okay, if the class is going to be a final class, that class cannot become a parent of any other class. That cannot be inherited by any other class in Java. That is the intention of the final, guys. Okay. So I'll just comment it out so that this is not possible, right? So I'm just commenting it out. So the class which is specified with final modifier cannot be inherited by other classes, or can the class that is specified with final modifier, for that class we cannot create child classes, or the class which is specified with final modifier cannot become parent of any other classes. Okay, cannot, like this you can give any answer, guys. So all the answers are pointing to the same thing, right? Okay, cannot be inherited by other classes, cannot become a parent of other classes, or other classes cannot, okay, for that class we cannot create children. Okay, other classes cannot become children of this class which is specified with final. All are the same answers. Okay, and explained in a different way. You can give any answer out of this. Okay, and that will work out as an answer for this question if you come across such kind of question in the interviews. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.